With every move and every cut, you experience the enthusiasm. Whenever you stir or strain, you feel the passion. Setting the table, pouring, or brewing, you feel the love that is integral to all these things. But where does this love come from? Design is not just a word for us. It is an attitude. We live design as a holistic concept, combining benefits, aesthetics, and functionality to form a harmonious unity. We use high-quality materials in our manufacturing process in order to meet the highest standards. We focus on people's needs and apply loving attention to detail, creating timeless classics. And that love is ultimately brought to life with every single bite. WMF Design, inspired by pleasure.